Every PowerPoint slide decreases your lifespan by 3%. Scientists didn't say that, your team did. So let's turn those boring PPTs into stunning videos. We'll start by going to web.clueso.io and upload our PPT file by clicking on the Upload Slide Decks option right here. As you can see, your video is ready, so let's just click Share and Export. Done! Thanks for watching, guys. Nah, I'm just messing with you. Our video is ready, but let's polish this further. In this video, we'll dive into how to edit visual elements, create a polished script, add a voiceover, captions, and make it accessible in over 60 languages. So let's get cracking. Okay, so upon uploading our file, we see the settings here. This lets us customize how much of our PPT is used to build our video and generate our script. We'll keep Use Slide Content on, as we want Clueso to analyze our slides in depth and incorporate them into the script. We'll also be keeping Speaker Notes on. This allows the AI to read all the key talking points mentioned in our speaker notes and use them as a reference for drafting the script. However, you can toggle them off if your speaker notes have personal reminders like ask the audience a question or smile more. Along with the other two options, we'll be keeping the element extraction on so that all of our visual elements from the PPT are editable in the video. Now, let's go ahead and fix a typo we missed earlier, edit the font, color, or just move stuff around if needed. On the left, we can see that the AI has visually processed our presentation's content to generate a professional script. But let's say we want to try a different angle with our script. We can just click AI to rewrite for a quick revamp or make specific refinements by opening up the prompt page. The simple explainer video is selected by default, but let's experiment with a fresh prompt. I'll ask you to add a short intro and outro to my video, then click Create Prompt, select it, and confirm. Great, we can also make changes directly to the script by simply selecting the text and rewriting over it, like this. Next, we'll choose an AI voiceover. There are over 100 professional AI voices to choose from, each with different accents, tones, and languages. I'll go ahead with Cassidy for my presentation.
I just love talking about movies, TV shows, really anything that's in the arts, so use my voice for those kind of projects.
To humanize her voice further, we can add emotion tags before specific sentences. Let me show you. I'll add enthusiastic in square brackets before the very first line and hit play to hear it.
Welcome to Acme Inc.'s employee onboarding. In this presentation, we'll take you through who we are, how we work, and what we stand for.
Awesome. We can incorporate a range of emotions this way in all of our lines.
Welcome to Acme Inc.'s employee onboarding. This is a look at our culture and values. Welcome to Acme Inc.'s employee onboarding. This is a look at our culture and values.
Now, let's add captions by clicking right here. These are automatically generated and perfectly in sync. We can pick a style from the library and edit it further to match our video. Done.
In this presentation, we'll take you through who we are, how we work, and what we stand for.
All right, this one's big for global teams and international clients. With just one click, we can translate the entire video in over 60 languages. This includes translating the slide content, voiceover, and captions. For example, let's translate this entire project to Spanish.
Bienvenido al proceso de incorporación de empleados de Acme Inc.
Hey, there we go, amigo. There's no need to redo the same presentation for different audiences anymore. And congratulations, this is probably the best PowerPoint deck you have ever made. Because it's a video, you can give this a shot yourself by finding the link to Clueso in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Drop a comment to let us know what you'd like us to cover next, and we'll catch you in the next one.